Special thank you to all of my patrons, especially my precious pets. Wild Horizon, Nikki Bailey, Viore Vix, Hybrid Sisters, Michelle, Ann Adventure, Lily Rosenhart, Ciandre, Destiny, Supanek, Toka, Luda Betty, and Lucy Scott Rushton. Come on, would you relax? They'll show up eventually. It's a costume party on Halloween. Who wouldn't want to come? Especially when you're the host. I mean it. You throw the best parties. Though, I still can't believe you made me put on this ridiculous costume. I mean, come on, Ghostface. How stereotypical can you be? Oh, you think it's hot? Well, maybe I should put the mask back on and wear it all the time if it turns you on. Oh, okay, jeez. To be fair, you look pretty good yourself. And even if no one comes, what's so bad about it being just me and you? Yeah, I guess there is a lot of food. But, hey, we have a horror movie marathon going, and we've got games to entertain ourselves with. So I think we can manage. You are still upset. God forbid I be enough for you. Hmm? Oh, nothing. How about this? Go sit down on the couch and close your eyes for me. I got you a little something. Don't give me that look. Just trust me. I'm determined to turn this night around for you. And no peeking. Okay, now open. Trick or treat. True, I don't have a basket, but I do have two things hidden behind my back. Depending on your answer, you'll either get a trick or a treat. Consider this our first game of the night. You know, to liven things up a bit. Oh, choosing treat? Really? I thought for sure you'd pick trick. You sure? Alright, here is your treat. It's a cupcake, Halloween themed, of course. Made by yours truly. Give it a try. Yes, I can bake. Thank you very much. I'm not completely useless, you know. Besides, I know that this is your favorite holiday and I wanted to make it a little special. I'd do anything to see you smile after all. So, how is it? Tastes funny. Well, I guess that kind of makes sense. I did put quite a lot of sedatives in it. No. You heard me right. I said sedatives. The stuff that knocks you out. Well, I guess technically it just relaxes you, but I put it in the cupcake batter. And the frosting and the cupcake liners. But anyway, the point is I put a lot of it in there. So you should be feeling it any minute now. Hopefully. You can keep staring at me and asking if it's a joke all you want. I'm not kidding. You picked a treat, remember? Well, you got it. Had you picked trick, I would have just stuck you with this syringe in my other hand. Would have been more painful, but Either way, the result would have been the same. Honestly, it probably would have worked faster. I. Wow. I can't believe I have to explain this to you. Uh, I'm drugging you because I'm kidnapping you. I've waited a long time to do this, to take you away from everything and everyone. Because a little do you know, you and I are meant to be together. I want you all to myself, and I'm putting it into action. I'm not waiting anymore, and I'm also not asking for your permission, sweetheart. That's what's happening right now, and I would appreciate it if you would just relax and let it happen. Oh, I wouldn't try to stand. You might fall. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you. Come on. What are you doing? You're not going anywhere. You can try and fight the sedative all you want, sweetheart, but you're going to succumb to it no matter what you do. And when you wake up, we can begin all the other fun little games I had planned. Like I said, I'm going to liven things up tonight. Sweet dreams. Hey, baby. Welcome back. Have a nice nap. Sorry about the cuffs, but I had to make sure you wouldn't bolt out of here the minute you were conscious. Hope the bed is comfortable. It's all I could work with last minute. Hmm? Oh, we're at that girl Sydney's house. The basement, more specifically. Upstairs is still a little messy. I gotta finish cleaning up there. But she's got quite the setup here, and she's not using it anymore, so I figured until I get some other details sorted out, we could crash here. What? Oh, this? I put the mask back on. I thought it was fitting for the mood, and I know how much you like your masked men. I believe your exact words were, Ghostface is hot. And don't try to deny it either. I know exactly what you like. After all, you've confided all your little fantasies to me. Aw, not like this, huh? Poor thing. This is because you're actually scared this time. You get off on being scared, don't you, sweetie? You like feeling your heart beat out of your chest and your adrenaline pumping 90 miles an hour. You like the feeling of a guy taking control. You love the thought of knowing that if someone wanted to cause you pain, they could, and you'd be unable to stop it. Just a submissive little pet. But relax, baby. I won't hurt you. It's me, your dear old friend. The one who has been with you all this time. The one who helped you get into college. The one who stayed up with you while you cried all through the night because some dickhead broke your heart or cheated on you or treated you badly. The one who is always there to pick up the pieces. Yet still, I am that one person who you turn down over and over and over again. Despite what I really wanted, I listened. I respected your boundaries. I kept our relationship as just friends. But, you know what? After seeing that last douchebag you went out with, I couldn't fucking take it anymore. I mean, seriously, if that wasn't a cry for help from you, I don't know what is. It was very well played on your part, but I got the hint. Very sneaky of you. So, that's when I started planning the ultimate proposal for us to finally get together. When you told me about the Halloween party, I knew it was going to go perfectly. You wanted us to be alone deep down. So all of those people you invited, all our friends, I told each and every one of them a little white lie about something you did behind their backs. That's right. I knew no one would show up tonight because that's how I planned it. Essentially, I made them all hate you. But of course, there were those who didn't believe me. Like Sydney, for example. So, with them, I had to resort to drastic measures. Don't worry about them. They don't matter anymore. Stop asking what I did. It doesn't matter. Besides, surely you can figure it out. Shut up. Stop screaming before I lose my patience, baby. Stop. Shut. God damn it! Shut up! What does it matter? Those people aren't your real friends. I am. I am all you have ever needed. And once you learn to live with that, we can both finally be free and happy. I did what I had to do, and I have no regrets. Now, what did you say? Will you finally be with me? I've shown you my dedication by now, right? Now you see what you truly mean to me. I am deeply and utterly infatuated with you. I love you, sweetheart. So, will you? What did you just say? Don't say that. No, you. You don't mean that. Take it back. You really never saw us together? Even after all I did for this moment, you're still turning me down? Shut the hell up. Stop crying and let me fucking think. Fuck. No. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing changes. You don't get a say anyway. I'll handle everything. I just gotta finish cleaning some loose ends up. And you are gonna go back to sleep. And unfortunately for you, I don't have another cupcake. Shh. It's okay. You're just gonna feel a little pinch. And if you move, you might make me puncture something valuable. So, stay still. There you go. Just rest. And I promise, when you wake back up, everything will be okay. Soon enough, you're gonna find out that being with me won't be so bad. Because if you don't, there's no telling the lengths I'll go to convince you. By the end of this, I will get to call you mine. Sleep tight, sweetheart. And happy Halloween.